Hello, my name is Francis Crossman. I'm the Principal Product Manager of Premiere Pro at Adobe, and we're here at the Adobe booth, NAB24, and I've got some exciting enhancements to audio workflows and text-based editing, both using AI. Let's take a look. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and I've got a short little science fiction movie that I'm working on, and I'm going to show you some of the updates. So the very first thing that I want to show is these badges right here. So we can see here that this is being identified as dialogue. We also have sound effects down here. And then if I scroll down to the bottom of the timeline, we're going to find, all the way over here, we're going to find music and also ambiance. And these categories are being automatically tagged by AI. It's finding on a clip level basis what type of audio is present in each of these clips. And if I click on it, it's going to open up the essential sound panel up here. And in this case, I clicked on dialogue, and so it takes me right to the dialogue section. And I've got quick access to the features I need to make dialogue sound really good. So for example, enhanced speech. And enhanced speech uses AI to clean up poorly recorded dialogue. And we've got all of the features that have been in Premiere Pro for a long time, like auto match, which automatically levels out the clips. Now, if I come back down here to the sequence, we can also see that I have an effects badge. And if I hover over it, the tooltip shows me that I've got a couple of effects going on here. So I have a high pass and another one. If I right-click on this, we can see what effects I have. But I can also single-click on this, and it opens up the effects control panel up here. And I can see here that I've got a high pass and a pitch shifter. And then I can go right in and adjust those if I need to. Now, going back down to the timeline, if I zoom out and show the whole timeline, what we're going to see here is the new clip colors and the new clip design. It's not radically different, but it is higher contrast and it is easier to look at and more accessible for folks who have possibly diminished vision. But we also revamped the entire drawing code for waveforms. So you can see here, if I expand this track, you can see how it's a stereo pair. If I reduce this down to a very small track size, at a certain point, it reduces down to just a single waveform. And in the past, we showed a very unhelpful empty box. Now you can at least see what you're working with. Possibly my favorite of all of the updates, though, has got to be the interactive on-clip fade handles. And so that is these little rectangles that show up in the corners of the clip. And you can just quickly drag in to create a fade out or a fade in. And of course, if you want to do a crossfade, you can drag across clips like this to create a crossfade and drag up and down to change the slope. So this, when you put all of these features together, it just basically means that working with audio is so much more efficient, fewer mouse clicks, and less mouse mileage. So we like to say that you can get to your final mix faster. So everything that you just saw here is currently available in public beta. You can download it today and start using the features today, and it will be available to the public in general availability in May.